We are here on my French WordPress website, and as you can see, I just created 10 web pages with Claude Code, 10 SEO pages. If you want to see them, these are pretty great SEO web pages with a good H1 title, etc. And so today I'm going to show you how to connect Claude Code to your WordPress website to enhance its SEO power, and you will see that we can do automatic SEO thanks to that technique. So first, what do we want to achieve? The goal here is to publish quality SEO pages in a fast way. Then we'll target low competition business keywords, because we don't have to spend like 30 minutes on each pages. So we can target this kind of keywords automatically, and we will rank on top 3 on hundreds of business keywords and make money thanks to SEO. So the first step is to connect Claude Code to your WordPress. Today we have the easiest solution, which is the MCP, the official MCP of WordPress called Automattic. So you just have to download it from here. So you download the zip, then you upload it on your extension dashboard on WordPress. So I will just show you. Okay, so here we'll just go in plugin, then add plugin, and then we'll have a button just here, upload plugin. And so here you can select your zip file. Then you just have to set up the plugin. I recommend you to do it with Claude. Just send him a screenshot of what you're doing, and he tells you exactly what you need to do. So the second option is to connect Claude Code with SSH. So this is a server-side connection. To do that, you need to go on your web hoster. So here is my French web hoster. Then you have something named SSH access just here. Then you have to create a key, and you can give it to Claude Code, and all will work fine. So what solution is the best? I recommend you, if you're beginner, to select the MCP option, but the SSH option is way more powerful. But if you just have to create some pages, duplicate some pages, as I will show you just after, the MCP option is great. But SSH can do more things on your server, etc. So yeah, just do back and forth with Claude Code to configure it. So then your goal is to create a first optimized page, because if you tell Claude Code to create you a page, an SEO page, it won't be perfect. So I recommend to use ChatSEO, and there is also an MCP which is actually coming. So you don't, here you need to speak to ChatSEO in the ChatSEO application, but after you will just connect ChatSEO into Claude Code, and it will work really fine. So how to do it? Here you just need to find some keywords that you can duplicate. So for example, here we are doing this kind of SEO article on ChatSEO. So competitor 1 versus competitor 2. That's the kind of business keywords that we can duplicate easily, because there is a lot of competitors of SEO tools. So we'll just ask him here, create an SEO optimized page targeting, let's say Ahrefs versus SEMrush. And so you will see that he will respect all these steps that a real SEO expert follows, and give you a really great SEO brief, and then he will also write the whole content. Okay, so as you can see here, ChatSEO gives us all the structure of the pages, of the page. So also here the title, the secondary keyword, etc. So this is really a smart tool. And here he's asking us if we'd like to generate the full page content now. So you just have to say yes, and he will do it on the right side just here. So this is quite a good SEO text because we don't have like endless paragraphs. We have very visual tables, etc. Bullet points. So that's really, really great for Google, but also for the AI, for your JEO. Okay, so now we have the full text here. We'll just duplicate it thanks to Claude Code. But first, you need to be sure that your UX, your content is great. That's why we spent a little bit of time on our article, because as you can see here, we have a quiz, so really, really great for the user interactions on your page. Here also table of content, etc. So just be sure that you have a first perfect SEO article. Then we will just duplicate it for similar keyword, and again I will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so here I'm in the Claude Code session that can access my French WordPress website just here, so paulvengeon.fr. So here we'll just ask him see the previous SEO article that we did and publish 2 more. Also here I'm using it with bypass permission mode, so I recommend you to do that because it's just really, really boring to press enter each time the Claude Code wants to do some modifications. Okay, so here Claude Code just created these 2 SEO tools versus pages. So I don't know what is this, but overall this is really, really great. We have here a quiz that works, that also promotes my SEO tool ChatSEO, so that's great. Here we have the table of content, here a table, etc. And you can see that there is, even if I use the Chrome extension named detailed SEO and I go into schema, there is also structured data that is implemented in. So that's really, really great. And as you can see, the internal linking is also done. So yeah, this is a really, really good way to create SEO pages. The last thing I want to talk about with you is that with Claude Code, international SEO is really, really easy to do. So here is a website I created recently. So that's the same version of this website, but in English. So paulvengeon.com. And you just have to go into your Claude Code conversation just here, and you can ask him to, like I did just previously, to put the right hreflang between your 2 websites, or between in the same website if you have international repertories. So here I have 2 different sites, but if you just have paulvengeon.com /fr/en/it, I don't know, you can deploy it very, very easily. And so as you can see here, if I go to SEO tools, here I have the same comparisons pages between tools, and if I go in the HTML of the page, I do just Command F, I type lang. You can see that the htmllang is en because it's in English, so that's great. And we also have the hreflang just here. So this precise to Google that we are on the English version of this web page, but there is also a French version of this web page, which is this one, which is on my other website.